Here I have OPPO Reno 5Z, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and then go to the watermark. So here you can enable phone model, date and time, and also location watermark. And now, as you can see, every photo I take will be marked with my phone model, date and time, and also my location. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.